Welcome to this installment of Rafter Equipment's maintenance series. This is the lateral movement portion of the maintenance series focusing on the roll stands. Assuming you've done the handshaking exercise, which you can find in this video series, now we'll identify and address any lateral movement that you have in your roll shaft. First, with the outboard stands and tooling removed, go to the drive side of the mill and hit all the roll shafts with a rubber mallet towards the outboard stands. Take an indicator and get a base measurement of the shoulder dimensions. Position yourself back on the operator side and hit all the roll shafts towards the inboard stands. Now measure again using an indicator to find out the difference. This difference is the amount of shim that you'll want to add to the inboard or drive side of the bearing block. This will ensure that your roll shaft is tight and will not have any lateral movement. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or visit our website.